In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly insert an image into Google Slides and manage your background adjustments to create professional-looking presentations effortlessly. First, let's talk about how to get your image into the slide itself. You'll want to head over to the menu at the top of your screen. Click on Insert, then hover over Image. From here, you'll have a few different options. If you have an image saved on your computer, select Upload from Computer. Alternatively, you might want to choose Drive to pull from your Google Drive or Web if you're grabbing an image directly from an online source. Once you have your image on your slide, you may want to adjust or format it. One of the most common needs when working with images is to alter the background. For this, you'll need to right-click the image you've inserted, which will bring up a context menu. From there, select Format Options. This will open up a panel on the right-hand side of your screen with a variety of options that allow you to tweak the appearance of your image. In this panel, navigate to the section labeled Adjustments. Here, you'll find a handy tool called the Transparency Slider. By moving this slider, you can make the image look fainter, which can be incredibly useful for creating background images that don't overpower your primary content. Keep in mind that this doesn't remove the background entirely. It only adjusts how prominently the image appears on your slide. Now, let's talk about a new feature that's becoming available, especially for those enrolled in Gemini or Workspace Labs. This functionality takes background management one step further by allowing for true background removal directly within Google Slides. If you have access to this feature, using it is straightforward. Start by clicking on the image you wish to edit. When you do, you'll notice an Edit Image option appearing. Click on that, and then choose Remove Background. This tool will automatically identify and remove the background, leaving you with a clean image that stands out beautifully against your slide content. Using this feature can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your presentations, giving them a polished and professional edge. If the tool is available to you, I definitely recommend giving it a try to see the difference it can make, even if this specific feature isn't rolled out to everyone just yet. Understanding how to adjust transparency and knowing the tools at your disposal ensures you have a well-versed toolkit for improving the clarity and focus of your presentations. With these steps, you're all set to make your Google Slides visually engaging and effective for whatever audience you're presenting to.